Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can fix your microphone not working issue in the Brave browser. For example, if you're accessing specific websites and you have your microphone plugged into your computer or device, but it is unfortunately not working properly via the Brave browser. So let me show you a simple fix for that, guys. What you want to do is launch the Brave browser and access your browser settings. You can do that by clicking on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your home screen. After that, select settings from the drop-down menu. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply head over to the privacy and security section here in the left panel. And here below the privacy and security title, you will see a section called Site and Shield Settings. So click on it to access these. And below you will see a list of allowed or given permissions to your devices, like for example, your camera or your microphone. So what you want to do is head over to the microphone settings and simply make sure that this option here is enabled. Sites can ask to use your microphone. For example, if you accidentally turned off this feature and don't allow or not allowing websites to use your microphone. So simply make sure that you switch back to that feature here, and that's basically it. Alternatively, guys, but it's optional, you may add, for example, exceptions to that rule below by setting a custom rule or behavior, but it's optional, guys. I would simply use it. I would simply leave it at sites can ask to use your microphone for a general permission, and also make sure that your plugged in microphone is selected here at the top when you click on the drop down menu. And that should fix the issue, guys. From now on, your microphone should be identified by a Brave browser and you should be able to use it properly. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.